A question I get asked a lot is, when should I prune camellias? So camellias are one of the more popular flowering shrubs in the southeastern United States. And there's two main types of camellias. There's Camellia japonica and Camellia sasanqua. So Camellia sasanqua blooms earlier than Camellia japonica. So what I have here behind me, this is Camellia sasanqua cultivar is Lauren, and it has already bloomed. It blooms around Thanksgiving, Christmas, into the New Year time frame. Behind it here is Camellia japonica, and that cultivar is debutante, and it is still flowering, and it will continue to flower until mid-March for us. So it's late February, early March right now. Today is March the 1st. And so those will bloom for another two weeks or so, and then the flowers will fade out. So when do we prune these? You want to prune these right after they flower. So for example, these Camellia sasanquas here, they have already finished flowering out. And so what we can do is take a pair of hand snips, and we're going in and we're looking for some key things here. This is very important in terms of how to prune a camellia. I would not recommend going in with head shears and just going over the top with head shears, because what's going to happen is as you cut each one of those little branches off, it's going to bud out, and you're going to have 4, 5, 6 other branches come out, and they're just going to be long and leggy. Instead, what you want to do is go in and look for a few things first. We want to look for any dead wood or wood that's diseased and remove that wood. Then what I want you to do is go in and look for any branches that are crossed over where the branching may be rubbing against each other. You'll want to remove one of those branches, because what will happen is the bark of those two branches will eventually come loose, and that'll be a place for pathogens to get into the cambium layer and spread throughout the plant. Once you removed your dead wood, once you removed your diseased wood, if you have any, once you removed any of the cross members, what you want to do is come in with hand snips and just find these leggy branches like this and go all the way down to where it meets with another branch and just remove it. Okay, so this is a finished product. I've got 1 or 2 more little branches that I might want to take off over here on the side. This one, that one down there. But this is our clipping pile. You can see how much we took off. Just 3 or 4 handfuls, not a whole lot. You can see the back side of the camellia here. So let's compare that to the ones that have not been pruned yet. So if we go over here, there's 4 or 5 sasanquas here, and we'll just walk the line. And you can see here, none of these have been pruned. We got all this tall, leggy stuff that needs to come out. If we look down here at this one we've pruned, you can compare them. So this is going to have a much more rounded form to it. And here again, we did not take pruning shears to this. This was hand pruned with hand snips. If you have bigger branches, you may want to use loppers. But to get this look right here, don't use pruning shears. It's going to look good for a week or two, and then you're going to have all these little runners start popping out everywhere, and you're just going to be chasing runners all summer. Well, I still have some work to do. I've got all these camellias that need to be pruned. I just wanted to take a minute, show you guys how to properly prune a camellia. Just remember, prune them within the first 30 or so days after they are done flowering, because they are going to set those flower buds in the spring and the summer for the next fall. So you want to get in here and prune them as soon as you can. Here again, the first priority is to get those crossing branches, get those cut out. Dead or diseased material, cut that out, and then from there, just go in and get those long skinny runners out to get this nice rounded form that looks like this. Guys, as always, thank you for watching The Plant Doctor, and until next time, happy gardening.